I don't like vegetables. Well, here we are with another fancy tour of the world inspired meal. This one is called African style peanut curry, which is really awesome. It's another vegetarian dish, except ignore the chicken broth. It's supposed to be vegetable broth, but this was leftover that I had, so I wouldn't need to buy another one just for this. The only downside was they didn't sell small containers of peanuts, so I had to buy some trail mix and just steal the peanuts out of it, but we'll get into that later. We got plenty of vegetables here. This one's very straightforward, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting into stuff and get it ready to put in. Oh, before I forget, our total for all of this is $11.04, ignoring all the things that I have already. So this one is on the cheap side, which is good. Other than that, let's go ahead and start putting things together. Okay, bye. You already know how to cut vegetables. We're done. Well, let's go ahead and throw everything together then. Oh, before I forget, on the ingredient list, I actually found crushed tomatoes that had green chili in it, so why not? But anyway, let's go ahead and put in all of our chopped stuff. And that's it for now. At this point, we just cook it on high for 4 hours. So from here, I will see you this evening. So this bag had exactly 1/4 of a cup of peanuts in it, so I guess that works. It also says 2 cups of chopped spinach. I don't know how to really measure that, so I just kind of guessed. At this point, it is ready to serve, so we just throw the spinach in, and then we top it with the peanuts and the cilantro. But I'm going to wait a little bit to finish up the rice that's boiling, because the rice takes a long time, so I'll wait for that to be done. But I can put this in at least. Ooh. And now we wait again. And here we are finally. We got our bowl. You can see how fancy our mixture looks. I topped it with some of the peanuts and the chopped cilantro. So this smells really good and I'm excited to try it. Feel free to adjust anything and let me know how it goes for you. So, this one turned out really well. It's probably one of the better ones for the healthy options since there's not a lot of fat or other things in this one. One thing I would say though is maybe double the seasonings on it. I made this one exactly how the recipe asks for the first time, just so that I know I didn't mess up anything, and it would probably be better with about double the seasonings. Other than that, maybe double the peanut butter too, because there wasn't very much peanut butter flavor in there. I don't know how much peanut butter flavor it's supposed to have, but maybe a little more wouldn't hurt. Other than that, I think this one was really good. And yeah, so feel free to try it out.